golden sunset paints the floor. I feel the peace I've waited for. The kettle sings the soft refrain, while silence washes out the rain. Oh, home is where the heart can rest. Of all the places, it's the best. With cinnamon and dreams so deep, the promises we always keep. The clock is ticking on the wall. The shadows dance across the hall. The lamp is glowing soft and bright to welcome in the quiet night. Oh,